Welcome to this AgentForce Studio tutorial. We'll take a guided tour of the AgentForce Studio, the all-in-one hub for customizing your Salesforce AI agents. AgentForce Studio brings together several tools, including the AgentBuilder, which we already covered in a previous video. So I will not repeat the details about this feature in this video. As you already know, it is the low-cost tool to create and modify agents, and we use it to define topics and actions for each agent. Then we have the AgentForce Asset Library, which is a section where you can manage the libraries of actions and topics available to your agents. This is useful if you want to reuse certain actions across multiple agents or standardize how topics are defined. We will dive deeper into AgentForce Asset Library in this video. To access AgentForce Studio, go to Setup. You can see Setup on the screen that I'm sharing, and then type Agent. And here you can see the AgentForce Studio, the AgentForce agents, which include the AgentBuilder. So we already know this from the previous video. And today we will focus on AgentForce assets. So in this first step, you can see topics. Those are topics defined across all agents, and the other tab is actions that are also available to all agents. So this is very powerful for consistency. If your org has multiple agents, for example, one for internal staff, another for external donors, you can use this studio to ensure that both have an FAQ topic with similar rules, or share an action like create support case if both agents need that ability. A topic in AgentForce categorizes a set of related tasks or conversations that an AI agent can handle. Each topic includes classification description, which specifies when the agent should use this topic. Then there is scope, which defines what the agent is allowed to do within this topic, and then many instructions that provide detailed guidance on how the agent should perform tasks related to the topic. And when it comes to actions, you can see that there are also many default actions, and action is a specific task that an AI agent can perform in response to a user's request. They can be standard actions, which are pre-configured tasks provided by Salesforce, such as query records or get activity details. And we can also have custom actions. Those are user-defined tasks tailored to specific business needs. You can create those using tools like Flows, Apex, or prompt templates. And clicking connection, you can always adjust some details. If it's not standard action, you can see that each action has a label, then instructions for the agent. Then you can configure whether the end user needs to configure a change that the agent is making when changing records, for example. And then you can specify whether you can see the loading text when the action is running in the background. And in this blue square, you specify how to format the input and whether each parameter is required. And in the green square, you specify how to format the output. To sum up, AgentForce Studio is a powerful suite that goes beyond initial setup. It enables ongoing customization and optimization of your AI agents. Remember, the goal is an agent that not only works, but works the way you want. With AgentForce Studio, you're in the driver's seat to make that happen, all within a user-friendly and declarative interface. If you found this video useful, please don't hesitate to give it a like and subscribe for more Salesforce AI tips. Thank you.